Welcome to English Plus Magazine, your source for insightful and engaging content on a wide range of topics. Whether you're interested in business, science, literature, education, history, psychology, or anything in between, we've got you covered. Don't forget to check our other articles on EnglishPlusMagazine.com. And now, sit back, relax, and enjoy our latest article.
The importance of appearance, why image matters. As humans, we often make snap judgments based on appearances. It's not necessarily a good thing, but it's a reality that we must acknowledge. From a first date to a job interview, how you present yourself can greatly impact how others perceive you. In this blog post, we'll discuss why appearance matters and how you can use it to your advantage. Why appearance matters. Appearance matters in both personal and professional settings. Here are a few reasons why. First impressions are everything. First impressions are crucial, and your appearance plays a big role in shaping them. When meeting someone for the first time, it takes only a few seconds to form an impression. This initial assessment can influence the rest of your interaction with the person. Your appearance communicates who you are. Your appearance communicates a lot about who you are as a person. It can convey your personality, your interests, and your values. This is why it's important to consider what you're wearing and how you present yourself, as it can say a lot about you. Appearance can affect your confidence. When you look good, you feel good. Taking care of your appearance can help boost your confidence and self-esteem, which can translate into better performance in various areas of your life. Appearance affects how you're perceived. Research has shown that people who are well-groomed and well-dressed are perceived as more competent, trustworthy, and likable. In contrast, those who are poorly dressed or disheveled may be perceived as less capable or trustworthy. How to use appearance to your advantage. Now that we've established why appearance matters, let's discuss how you can use it to your advantage. Here are some tips to consider. Dress appropriately for the occasion. When dressing for a particular occasion, it's important to consider the dress code and the context. You wouldn't wear a tuxedo to a casual lunch, nor would you wear ripped jeans to a job interview. Dressing appropriately shows that you understand the expectations and are respectful of the situation. Pay attention to grooming. Grooming is just as important as clothing when it comes to appearance. Make sure your hair is neat and styled, your nails are trimmed, and your skin is healthy. These small details can make a big difference in how you're perceived. Invest in quality clothing. Investing in quality clothing can make a huge difference in your appearance. Quality clothing not only looks better, but it also lasts longer and feels more comfortable. You don't have to break the bank, but investing in a few key pieces can make a big difference. Take care of your body. Your appearance isn't just about what you wear, it's also about your physical health. Eating a healthy diet, getting enough sleep, and exercising regularly can help you look and feel your best. Taking care of your body can also help boost your confidence, which can in turn enhance your appearance. Be true to yourself. While it's important to dress appropriately for different situations, it's also important to be true to yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not, as it can come across as insincere. Instead, dress in a way that reflects your personal style and values. The bottom line: appearance matters, whether we like it or not. It can influence how others perceive us and can affect our confidence and self-esteem. While it's important to dress appropriately for different situations, it's also important to be true to ourselves. By paying attention to our appearance and grooming, investing in quality clothing, and taking care of our bodies, we can use our appearance to our advantage. It's not about conforming to society's expectations, but rather about presenting ourselves in the best possible light. That being said, appearance is just one aspect of who we are. It's important to remember that our inner qualities, such as our personality, skills, and values, are just as important, if not more so, than our outer appearance. A well-dressed person who lacks integrity or kindness will not be as respected or valued as someone who has those qualities. Furthermore, it's also important to recognize that appearance can be a sensitive topic for some people. Society's standards of beauty can be unrealistic and exclusive, and it's important to acknowledge that not everyone has the same privileges or resources when it comes to appearance. We should strive for inclusivity and acceptance rather than judgment and discrimination. In conclusion, appearance matters in both personal and professional settings. It can influence how others perceive us and can affect our confidence and self-esteem. However, it's important to remember that appearance is just one aspect of who we are, and that our inner qualities are just as important, if not more so. By paying attention to our appearance and grooming, investing in quality clothing, and taking care of our bodies, we can use our appearance to our advantage. But ultimately, it's about being true to ourselves and presenting ourselves in the best possible light, without sacrificing our authenticity or values.
Thank you very much for checking out this article on EnglishPlusMagazine.com. And don't forget to check out our latest English Plus podcast episodes on EnglishPlusPodcast.com. Never stop.